Hello to you, and welcome to the RHC Wellness channel, where we talk about all things holistic health and wellness and share tools that empower you to take charge of your own healing and well-being. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift and the shoulders to soften. Today, we will practice simply stopping. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. Notice what it's like to just stop, to simply be still and present in this moment. You may notice thoughts, bodily sensations, even sounds. Just notice what it is like to be alive in this moment. Simply stopping. Each time you find your mind somewhere else, play with inviting a sense of stopping. Deep, relaxing breaths. Let's continue practicing like this for a little while, simply breathing in, breathing out, relaxing your brain, relaxing your body. As we near the end, finish with a deep breath in and a long breath out. Two more like this. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Last one from your belly. Deep breath